Hello everyone, this is a quick demo of my AI-powered Copilot agent that is Employee Track Agent, designed to manage employee records. It allows users to add new employees or search existing ones using Excel files stored in SharePoint or OneDrive. It also includes validation to prevent duplicates or notify users when data isn't found. So here is the Excel file that is stored on SharePoint, and here is the Excel file that is stored on OneDrive. So let's launch the agent. When the agent starts, it gives a friendly welcome message. Hello, I am Employee Track Agent, your smart HR buddy. I can help you add new employees or search existing employee records. What would you like to do today? Add or search. So now let's start by adding a new employee. So I'll choose Add Employee. Now it asks where to store the data. So I'll select SharePoint. It first asks for the employee ID. As we can see in our SharePoint list, we have employee IDs from EMP001 to EMP020. First, we will go with EMP001. Here, the agent checks whether the employee ID already exists. Since it does, it returns this employee already exists. Please provide another employee ID. So, do you want to try with different employee ID? Let's say yes. So, now I'll provide a unique employee ID EMP021. As the new employee ID which we had entered doesn't exist in our Excel, it asks for other details. So what is the employee's first name? Let's go with Emily. Last name Carter. Department IT. Admin. System admin. Salary, let's say 82,000. Hire date, let's say 05/2022. Work email, Carter @company.com. Phone number, location. So basically, it adds all the basic details of the employee. Once submitted, the agent runs the connected flow and confirms employee EMP021 has been successfully added to the SharePoint. As we can also see, the EMP021 Emily Carter has been now included in our SharePoint list. Now, it asks, do you want to add another employee details? Let's say no. So let's begin with search. I click on search employee this time. I'll choose OneDrive this time. Let's try searching for an ID that doesn't exist. So as we know, we have employee IDs from E001 to E010. So let's start searching for an ID like that doesn't exist, E099. The agent searches in OneDrive and returns no employee found with that ID. Please try another. So do you want to search for another employee? Let's say yes. Now I'll search for a valid ID. First, we'll search where we want to search it. Let's say OneDrive. And this time we'll give a valid ID E003. And we can see here are the employee details for employee ID E003. And we can cross check it with our list E003 Arjun Mehta Finance. Arjun Mehta Finance. So this is how we can work with this agent. Behind the scenes, the agent uses agent flows for both platforms. Each flow dynamically reads and writes to the Excel files in SharePoint or OneDrive. Validation logic is handled using filter array, condition checks, and variables for cleaner interaction. So, with Employee Track Assistant, users can easily manage employee data without ever opening an Excel sheet. It's smart, fast, and prevents duplication or invalid lookups through built-in logic. Thanks for watching.